Everybody, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you how I care for my favorite flower. This is my geranium and it blooms constantly. So in case you're wondering, I live in South Carolina where it gets really hot in the summertime. Now I've had this geranium since Mother's Day. So at this point, I've had it for a couple of weeks, almost a month. I absolutely do not have a green thumb, but this has been a really easy flower to take care of. It was given to me by my youngest son, and even though there are different types of geraniums, this one has been perfect for me. I know they've got the ivy geraniums, they've got the zonal geraniums, the Martha Washington, they've got the geraniums that have those velvety feeling leaves. But this one is, like I said, perfect for me, requires very little care. Now, if you live in a climate where it's cold, or if you're still in an area where it freezes, you probably want to take this one indoors in the wintertime or if it falls below freezing. Now, for my geranium, I have it on my front porch for now, and I give it about 6 hours of direct sunlight. So usually what I'll do is water it as needed, because with this you want to wait until the soil feels dry. So you always want to just test it out, stick your finger in the soil, or you can do a visual of the soil, and if it looks really dry, then that's a good time to water it. You don't want to overwater it, because for mine, for example, it's in this pot and it needs that flow so that it can get air and water. You don't want that root rot at the bottom of your flower pot. So again, I just kind of wait for it to dry out a little bit, and then I water my geranium to prevent that root rot. Right now, the location that I have it in, it kind of gets the perfect amount of sunlight, so I don't have to constantly move it. But every now and then, I come outside and I look up at the sky, because as the months change, of course, then you have more sunlight. That's where we are now, going from May to June. But then as it gets later in the year, of course, during colder months, we don't have as many daylight hours. So I'm very aware of the positioning of my plant, because this flower is just very special to me. I also have these little scissors that I've been using, and I use these when I want to deadhead my bloom. So I just kind of take these little scissors and I will just kind of snip it whenever it starts to look weak, or if the flowers start to look like they're beginning to die. Then I just take these scissors and I'll just snip them right below the joint where the new growth is starting to begin. So that's it. I just wanted to share with you my routine for taking care of my geraniums. These are really nice flowers. If you get them as a gift, and you don't have a green thumb, don't fret. These are very easy to take care of. Just remember to not overwater it. Consider repotting it or planting it if you're concerned about root rot. If you're watering your flower, if you're monitoring the sunlight, and you're trimming it, doing that deadhead to get rid of those dying flowers, and it's still not blooming, you don't see the new blooms coming on, then consider repotting it, because you may have that root rot going on at the bottom of your flower pot and you just don't know about it. But that's it. Thank you all so much for watching. If you like the video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't done so already. Take care, and I will, of course, talk to you in the next video. Bye for now.